Hey everyone, let's talk about what you have to consider, the factors you have to consider if you want to create an all-in-one light source and audio bollard using the Lumien VIBE, because that's what's really cool about it, is that I can create a speaker slash light in one. That's awesome. However, what does that mean? That means that my lights have to be on if I want to listen to music. Some clients may not like that, so that's just something that you have to talk about with them. And if they decide that's fine, they don't mind having the lights on during the day if they want to listen to their music during the day, you got to give them an easy way to turn their lights on or turn the transformer on, because that's the beauty of this Lumien VIBE system. I don't need an external amplifier. I don't need an external streaming device. I can use my 12-volt landscape lighting transformer to power the speakers. But if I want to create an all-in-one, those lights have to be on. However, the other option is having a zonable transformer and setting those up on separate zones. But if you want to create the all-in-one look with the light being on at the same time as a speaker, those lights have to be on. So, something to consider with your client. If you have any questions, ask your Lighting Boss sales representative.